Hi there, I'm Callum Stevens, Commercial Director at BDD. What you're seeing behind me here is pretty exciting. It's a time-lapse video of our new GMP manufacturing facility being built. At BDD we noticed something important. Small and medium-sized innovators in pharma often struggle to find affordable, flexible, and what we call phase-appropriate manufacturing and clinical services. That's exactly what we're tackling here. The new site is all about giving these innovators the lowest risk, lowest cost, and most personable journey forwards towards market. Our new facility will from the offset be geared for phase 1 and 2 supplies, including first in human studies. No more or less than our clients require, phase appropriate. But it's more than that. We're ramping up to handle bigger batches and more types of studies than ever before. Again, it's all about bringing together the right mix of capability, pace, and knowledge. If you want any more information about how this is really going to change the game for those innovative SMEs that we love working with, just reach out.